you solemnly swear that you will administer the office to which you have been elected to the best of your ability and judgment in conformity with the bylaws of West San Gabriel Valley Realtors, that you will uphold and support the State of California Department of Real Estate in its enforcement of the real estate license law, that you will, in all your acts, be governed by the principles of honesty, justice, and fair play, and in every manner possible endeavor to promote and safeguard the best interests of our community, the high purpose of our association, and the welfare of its membership. If so, please say, I do.
I do.
You may lower your hands. I now proclaim each of you to be duly installed to the office to which you have been elected. You solemnly swear that you will administer the office of President to the best of your ability and judgment in conformity with the bylaws of the West San Gabriel Valley Realtors, that you will uphold and support the State of California Department of Real Estate in its enforcement of the real estate license law, that you will, in all your acts, be governed by the principles of honesty, justice, and fair play, and in every manner possible endeavor to promote and safeguard the best interests of our state, our community, the high purpose of our association, and its welfare of its membership. If so, please say, I do.
I do. I feel like I'm married to the association.
I now proclaim you to be duly installed to the office of President. Congratulations.
Very pleased I am to make the announcement of the esteemed recipient of this year's award. This person has been a member of our association for over 40 years, and during that time, he has worked diligently. Yes, and I served on several committees with him. He's always kept our members first. Whatever went for our members' best interest, that's what he has done and stands for. So this year's Distinguished Service Award, I'm proud to say, goes to May Wong.
I have the privilege to announce the 2023 Special Recognition Award. WSGVR may, from time to time, acknowledge individuals for outstanding service to our association, our industry, and the community. The 2023 Special Recognition Award goes to, his name is Brendan. What? Is that Brendan?
Brendan Savansky!
All right. Well, I just wanted to say this association and all that I've been able to experience being a part of this association, it truly means family to me. And thank you guys all so much.
It was awesome being your affiliate of the year, but of course we have to pass the torch. So the winner of the 2023 Affiliate of the Year is Chris Hahn. Chris Hahn is a family man, and that is why he's not in attendance tonight. But when you do see him, congratulate him, because he's more than deserving of this award. So everyone reach out to Chris Hahn and say congratulations for being the Affiliate of the Year.
It's an honor to be the Realtor of the Year, to keep that beautiful trophy in your desk for the whole year. But it's time to pass the torch and keep going. The name is no other than Nanette Ang.
Thank you so much. I give 100% to the association, and I'm always looking out for the association. I do what I can. Volunteering, I do it with my heart, and I do it happily and gladly. So I thank you, and I so proudly accept this award. Thank you so much.
As the 2024 president of the association, with all the opportunity and challenge that come to my acceptance, I'm not alone to the coming year with the support of the 2024 new officers and directors. I'm a believer that together we can do much more. Let me take this opportunity to acknowledge the 2024 officer and director. I am confident, right? With the new board that we have, we shall even do much better because we can engage positive energy and encouraging higher realtor standards with a stronger association for our members. To our 2023 directors, thank you very much for all of your support, times, and commitment. A volunteer works away from your business and families. Devoted to WSER, it takes a very special person to balance your personal, business, and volunteer lifestyle. It is not an easy task. To our members, through your support, criticism, you do have some, and encouragement that we have strong professional education service that advocate who we are as a realtor. I would like to thank all the chairs and the vice chairs and committee members. Your willingness to give your time and services is greatly appreciated. And I'd like to congratulate all the award winnees today. You all deserve that very special award that will be on your wall, right? And thank you all the sponsors that help us make it today possible. I want to take this time to special thank you, and I truly appreciate that you're here tonight. You make this event more special and memorable, and thank you very much for coming tonight to our installation. And I want to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Hanukkah. Hanukkah. And we'll start a new beginning at 2024, and thank you very much for coming. Thank you.